2016 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, ABS four-wheel, rear defrost, auto-off headlights, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, fog lamps, passenger airbag, child safety locks, electronic stability control, power door locks, side head airbag. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.